Welcome to the Elon Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is 23 November 2024. Links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. Please note that the content does not represent our opinions and is just a reflection of news items in public media. Elon Musk has made headlines in the gaming world by reportedly becoming the top player in Diablo 4, achieving a remarkable sub-2 run in Pit 150. His time of 156, shared on Twitter, surpasses the previous record of 159. Speculation surrounds his achievement, with theories suggesting he might have used financial means to gain an advantage or benefited from a recent bug in the game. This bug, which allowed players to significantly boost their health, has since been patched, leaving questions about the legitimacy of Musk's record. In the realm of AI and healthcare, Elon Musk has encouraged users on the social media platform X to upload their medical images to the AI chatbot Grok for diagnostic purposes. While some users have reported positive experiences, others have noted inaccuracies, raising concerns among medical privacy experts about the risks of sharing sensitive health information with AI tools. This trend highlights the ongoing debate about privacy and the ethical use of AI in healthcare. Elon Musk, now co-leading the Department of Government Efficiency, has stirred controversy by publicly targeting federal employees, claiming they represent government inefficiency. His recent focus on Ashley Thomas led to harassment, prompting criticism from federal employee unions. This approach raises concerns about the implications for civil servants and the potential for a toxic work environment. Texas Attorney General Ken Paxton has launched an investigation into advertisers who have chosen not to support Elon Musk's X-Twitter platform. Critics view this as an authoritarian attempt to coerce companies into advertising on a platform criticized for rising hate speech and misinformation. This investigation is seen as a misuse of state power, threatening free speech and market dynamics. In a groundbreaking brain study, Canadian neurosurgeons are collaborating with Elon Musk's Neuralink to recruit patients for a trial testing a device that enables individuals with paralysis to control cursors using their thoughts. The study, named Can Prime, aims to implant electrodes into patients' brains, with surgeries set to begin in early 2025. While promising, the technology raises concerns about privacy and security. Amazon and SpaceX, led by Elon Musk, are challenging the constitutionality of the National Labor Relations Board in a federal appeals court. This legal battle could weaken the NLRB, which enforces labor laws. The companies argue that the board's structure is unconstitutional, with potential implications for labor relations in the US. Emails released in a court case between Elon Musk and Sam Altman reveal internal struggles at OpenAI, highlighting conflicts over money and control. These tensions have been brewing since the organization's founding, exacerbated by its transition from a non-profit to a for-profit entity. The emails reflect broader industry tensions regarding the balance between innovation, ethics, and corporate interests. Former German Chancellor Angela Merkel has voiced concerns about Elon Musk's influence in the US government, particularly during Donald Trump's administration. She warns of the dangers posed by Musk's financial entanglements and the potential for corporate interests to undermine democracy. Her comments come as Musk is set to play a significant role in Trump's second term. UK MPs are set to summon Elon Musk to testify about the role of X in spreading disinformation during the summer riots. This inquiry is part of a broader investigation into harmful content on social media, focusing on the impact of generative AI. The hearings aim to address the urgent need for updated regulations to manage the risks associated with social media and AI technologies. Elon Musk and Vivek Ramaswamy have announced plans for significant reductions in the US federal workforce as part of their leadership in the Department of Government Efficiency. Their proposal for mass headcount reductions has sparked discussions about the potential impacts on government services and employment, reflecting a broader trend of advocating for reduced government size and spending. Thank you for tuning in to the Elon Daily News. Stay informed and join us next time for more updates on Elon Musk, Tesla, SpaceX, and Neuralink. Remember to check the episode notes for links to all the stories covered today.